Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Life is awesome. I'm Sunday Burma. So today's video is how to set WhatsApp profile picture without cropping your image. So in this video I have a fantastic application for WhatsApp user, and I'm sure that most of the WhatsApp user doesn't know this trick, but everybody want to use this trick as well. In this trick, not only you can surprise your girlfriend, even you can surprise the other WhatsApp user who doesn't know this trick. Let me show you how. Now if I go to my WhatsApp account, and if I click on these three dots on the right side up top and go to setting and click on the profile, and I will try to upload this picture. Suppose if I take this picture to set my WhatsApp DP or profile picture here, but I can't able to do that because this is the maximum area which has been taken by WhatsApp. I won't able to set this picture completely because it's taken either in this spot or either this spot. So in this video I'm going to show you this trick or method to set a full WhatsApp profile picture without cropping the image. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Well, what exactly you need to do is first go to Play Store on your Android phone and type watch cropping and search for it. And this is the application, so install it. And if you talk about this application has a 4.2 star rating and over 1 million downloads. And after the application has been installed, now open it, and this is the interface looks like after you open the watch cropping apps. Now here you get a two option, one is camera and the other is gallery. Well, I'm gonna click on gallery as my picture has been stored and set from before. Now this is the picture I choose for my WhatsApp DP or profile picture. So click on your picture, resize and adjust it properly, and click on the button and click on the save button and done. As you can see, my WhatsApp profile picture is completely set. As you can see now, my WhatsApp profile picture is completely set, full size picture without cropping. Well, that's all for today guys. Hope you all likes the videos. Anyway, if you guys like the videos, hit the thumbs up button and do comment and share, and also do subscribe to my channel Life is Awesome and press the bell icon to stay updated with my channel. Till then, see you guys again on my next videos. Take care, stay safe and healthy. Thank you and Hambai.